My name is Tommy Springfield.
And I'm better than you!
And on this channel, I just present you with the facts. I give you my opinion on those facts. What you do with it after that is on you. But if you like how I do it, click that like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, hit all so you can get notifications every time I drop one of these videos. If you're new here, or maybe you've been here before, but please
allow me to reintroduce myself.
I like to think of myself as a superhero, but you know, the ghetto kind, like Batman. I'm Batman. I live in a Bat cave. I drive a Batmobile, and I'm still that nigga. As you can see on the screen, today's question is, did rapper Young Thug taking the deal, was that the best case scenario? I say no, because his two co-defendants, they just beat the case. They had the serious charges. They had the murder cases and the shooting and the gun cases, and they beat them all. Except for one got caught with a gun case. He got 10 years, and he got probation, and he went home today. So Young Thug and them would have beat this case scot-free. Instead, look what he took. He took a 40-year sentence, commuted to time served. The first half of the probationary period requires reporting to probation officer. If probation is unsuccessful, Young Thug faces an additional 20 years in prison. So he's on probation for 15 years. If he fuck up at any time, he's looking at 40 years. That was the dumbest deal. I don't get how people keep saying Brian Steele is a great attorney. No, he's a shit attorney. But let's get into the video. Enough of me talking. Let's see what this boy's got.
All right, so are we going to go ahead with sentencing? Is the state, I know the state had filed a recidivist notice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do y'all intend to stand on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So the recidivist is A and C recidivist. That means that I have no discretion but to sentence to the maximum on that count. And the sentence possibility is 5 to 10. I must sentence to 10 years. However, I can probate any part of that sentence at my discretion. And so the court sentence on count 64 for Mr. Stillwell is going to be 10 years to serve 2, with credit for time served, the balance served on probation.
So as you can see, one dude beat all charges, and the dude over here with the dreads, he got caught with a gun. So, of course, the jury found him guilty on that. But he already had 2 years time served, so they gave him time served, and the rest of his 8 years is on probation. And I'm glad to see the other lawyer is even happier for the co-defendant. You feel me? That's a beautiful thing. So my question was Young Thug dumb on taking the deal? Yes, he was. Everybody was mad at Gunner for pleading out. Then you turn around and plea out. I'm going to leave you with this. There was a motorcycle club, 47 indictments, 47 dudes kept their mouths shut, and 47 dudes came home. So let's stop worried about the white man and take our lessons from the white man. The reason why those 47 bikers beat that case is because no one told. If everybody shut their mouth, these DAs and these lawyers and the feds and the state, they don't be having cases. It'd be a bunch of bullshit.
All right, I am going to recess. You have 30 days to file a motion for new trial if you choose to do that. Your attorneys will represent you on that unless they are excused from that representation by me. You also have 30 days from either this date or the date the motion for new trial is ruled upon to file a direct appeal if that's something you would like to do. And given that this is a felony conviction, you would have 4 years from the date that those direct appeals are finished, to file a habeas corpus petition challenging anything about the constitutionality of this conviction and sentence. All right.
That's, as you can see. And the reason why it was bad for Young Thug, because he got 15 years. If he say the word slime on the record, that's a violation. If he hang around people that's felons, that's a violation. And if you think misloving them after losing all of this and have to give out all these pleas, if you think they ain't looking to violate that man, you are a fool. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say it's a bad deal, because they could have all beat the case just like these dudes just did. But, like I always say, if you like what I do over here, click that like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, click all so you can get notifications every time I drop one of these videos. And if you're a supporter of the channel, much love and respect goes out to you. Salute. And if you one of them haters, cut the shit. That part.